breaking down the language, exploring phrasal verbs with break up and related expressions. Hello learners, welcome back. Today, we are going to continue our journey through the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. Our focus will be on the verb break. Specifically, we will be discussing the phrase break up and a few related expressions. Remember, understanding these phrasal verbs can significantly improve your English comprehension and communication skills. Let's do a quick review on break up. We use break up to refer to the ending of a relationship or a meeting. Here's an example. After 5 years together, they decided to break up, or the meeting broke up at around 6 p.m. Remember, context is key when using phrasal verbs. Now, let's look at some related expressions. 1. Break it off. This phrase also refers to ending a relationship. For example, she decided to break it off after realizing they wanted different things from life. 2. Breakdown. This can be a sudden collapse in someone's mental health, a failure of a system, or an analysis. For example, after months of stress, he had a breakdown, or the breakdown of the system caused a lot of problems. 3. Break out. This can refer to suddenly starting something, such as a fight, or escaping from a place. For example, a fight broke out at the bar, or the prisoners broke out of jail. 4. Break free. This phrase refers to escaping from a binding position or situation. For example, he managed to break free from his captors. 5. Break ground. To break ground means to start a new construction project or to begin a new endeavor. For example, they're breaking ground on the new stadium next week. 6. Break even. Break even refers to having income equal to expenditure, resulting in neither profit nor loss. For example, after paying all the expenses, they just managed to break even. That's a wrap for this session. Today, we've discussed the phrasal verb, break up, and explored related expressions. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these new expressions in your conversations and writings. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Happy learning and see you in the next video.